It's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a part 3 of a software by laserjumpstart.com, a program called Nameit that they have, and I love it. So last night I made a couple of videos. The first video, didn't even know what I was doing. It is so easy. So this is a real job that I do all the time, a couple times a month, for 6 to 20 name badges for new singers in this group. And in the old way, I'd have to go and manipulate the names into the name badges and center them and make them longer or shorter to fit in the space. So what I did, I just made a new name badge with name and 9 A's, and this is giving me the length of my longest text that I want. I don't want any longer than that. I took her email and I just copied and pasted into 123 or Lotus, Lotus, I use Lotus, I'm old school. Most people are going to have Excel, and cut and paste it and then save it as a CSV file. Then I'm going to go to the name tags. I'm going to go up to name it. There's my CSV file. I have checked limit text width. My target is name with 9 or 8 A's, and my replacement is this same thing. And in that quick, 1 second, 2 seconds, it's done. The names are in the center. The longer names are a little bit smaller. Let's just check here. That's 21.5 points. 21. This is 24 points. 24 points. 24 points. But this longer name is 21.53. It limited the name to exactly where I had it in the original name tag. I love it. It's going to save me a lot of time. And this is only for 6 name tags. It would work for hundreds and pages. You could do pages of name tags. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.